This 2014 Forest River Wildcat eXtraLite 312BHX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, external shower, DVD player, LP detector, water heater, TV, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Forest River Wildcat eXtraLite 312BHX is 9,110 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.